go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir perform.
We are back with another Getting Into the Holiday Spirit video. I'm starting off this video by trying Starbucks' new holiday drinks. I am so excited. They came out with a new refresher. My favorite thing from Starbucks is a refresher, so I'm really excited to try the Cranberry refresher. The name of it is just so festive, and I think it's gonna be really good. I got 5 of the drinks to taste test, and I wanna start with the refresher because I'm very excited. So this is the tall cranberry orange refresher with water, no dry cranberries, and light ice. I personally just don't like the berries in my refresher, so I didn't get it. I am not going to lie, I did try this yesterday and I tried it with the lemonade and I didn't like it at all. I think it's because personally I don't think lemonade goes with cranberry and orange, but this is with water. I asked on my Instagram if any of you guys liked it, so if you're not following me on Instagram, be sure to follow me because I do a lot of interactive polls on there. But a lot of people said yes, but not with the lemonade. So I wanted to give it another try and try it with the water. So this is much better. This is more of a holiday Thanksgiving drink in my opinion. It has a little bit of spice to it. I don't know how to explain the taste. It's not pure cranberry juice. It definitely has some orange in it, but it's a lot better than me just not liking it at all. I don't think this is something I would get every day, but this isn't bad and I can drink it. So personally, it's not my favorite, but I would rate it a 6 out of 10. Definitely better than the one with lemonade though, at least in my opinion. Next, let's try the sugar cookie drink. This usually comes with almond milk, but I subbed it for 2% milk because I'm allergic to almonds. It has the little sprinkles on top. I'm not sure if you guys can see them, but they're red and green and very festive. This is really good. Wow. This is really good, and I usually don't like coffee or lattes. I don't know if it tastes any different with almond milk. I'm sure it does, but this is really reminding me of Christmas in a cup, a good holiday drink. I would rate it like a 7 out of 10. Next, as you guys know, I love gingerbread. Gingerbread is one of my favorite themes for the holidays, and it's just one of my favorite cookies for the holidays, and Starbucks came out with a gingerbread oat milk chai. I am so excited about this. Let's give it a try. Whoa. 10 out of 10. This is so good. This is amazing. I'm in shock. This is literally a 10 out of 10, 11 out of 10. I'm just realizing they don't have the ice holiday cups yet, which is a little sad because it would have made it more festive, but it's okay. I can literally drink this whole thing. I'm obsessed. Next, I got a short caramel brulee latte. I'm very excited about this. For the hot version of the drinks, they did have the holiday cups. I feel like these are very, very festive and really gets me into that holiday spirit. Let's give this a try. This is really good. This is like the perfect amount of caramel and coffee in a latte. I really like this. I think this was one of my favorite drinks I got last year in the video I made. I would rate this like an 8 out of 10. This is a really good, cozy drink to have on a cold winter day. And the last one I got is my personal favorite every single year without a doubt, the peppermint mocha. Now I only got it in the hot version because personally from Starbucks, I like the hot one better, but let's give this a try. It is just so good. There's something about a nice hot peppermint mocha that just screams Christmas in a cup, reminds me perfectly of the holidays, and there's a really good amount of peppermint, but it's not overpowering with peppermint, and that's what I really like about this. I would rate this like a 9.5 out of 10. I really like it. And again, it's such a pretty Christmas cup. That is all the drinks I got from Starbucks. If you have any other holiday recommendations for some drinks, definitely let me know because I am curious. And then the last thing I got, which is actually not for me, it's for my boyfriend, is the new snowman cake pop. This is so cute. I really wish I could try this, but I can't because I am a little nervous about the cross-contamination with the food at Starbucks, but this is so cute. I also love how the cake pop stick is like a little candy cane. That is so cute and festive. But that is all the holiday drinks that I got. I'm going to bring these home and let my boyfriend and his family try them because my boyfriend said that he wants to try all these drinks, so I'm gonna bring them home. I'm probably going to finish the gingerbread chai latte after he tries it because I'm obsessed with it and it's really good and I would highly recommend it. That's definitely my favorite drink. I just got home and my boyfriend tried the drinks and he really just agreed with me. We like the gingerbread chai oat milk latte the most, but ours had 2% milk in it, and he did like the snowman cake pop as well. This is my little winter fit, so I'm wearing this shirt from White Fox, these jeans are American Eagle, and then just some Tasman Uggs, kind of like a sandwich method. I just edited for a little bit, and now we're gonna go to Target because I want to get some things to bake, and I just want to look at their decor a little bit more as well.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
I just got out of Target, and Target actually had a lot of fun stuff, so I'm just gonna do a little haul of everything I got. First thing is this reindeer mini waffle maker. I love making waffles, and I also love collecting these. I have so many of them, and I don't have the reindeer, so I wanted to get the little reindeer. I'm definitely going to make like a Christmas morning breakfast for this video because I think it'll be really fun. Then I got some of these favorite day Santa sleighs icing decorations because I got a gingerbread house, and I'm gonna use these for that. I got a Pillsbury ready to use frosting bag in the vanilla flavor because when I'm making the gingerbread house, it's just so much easier to use Pillsbury frosting rather than the frosting that comes in the kit. It just does not stick on the gingerbread house for me, and it's really hard to get it to stand up. Then I got these bow pajama and sock set. I thought this was so cute, and they're also very soft. I know American Eagle has these, and I was gonna get the American Eagle ones, but Target was having an early Black Friday sale for 30% off all women's wear, so I wanted to get these. Then I decided to get these 3-pack charms. This is from the brand A New Day. I thought these were so cute, especially to go in like a stocking stuffer, and I want to use these as bag charms. I got some cookie dough. This is in the birthday cake flavor. I wanted to get the sugar cookie ones, but they didn't have any. I made chocolate chip cookies with the Pillsbury Christmas cookies in one of my Getting in the Holiday Spirit videos, and that was so good, so I wanted to try it with sugar cookies as well. Next, I got some bow socks. I thought these were so cute. I have one pair for me, and then I also got another pair. This isn't a bow. These are cherries. I am actually going to be doing a giveaway, and I'm gonna put these in the giveaway. Stay tuned for that. I got some cookie icing again for the gingerbread house. I got some sprinkles for the gingerbread house. I got some peppermint crunch baking chips for some cookies that I'm going to make in the holiday season. As you guys know, I love baking, and I'm going to make a whole video about baking, so I got this for that. I did get a few clothing items, but I'm making a Black Friday video, so I'm gonna show those in that video because I did get Black Friday deals on those clothes, which is why I got them now rather than on Black Friday. The last thing I want to show in this video that I got from Target is this classic house gingerbread kit. I'm very excited to make this. I think I want to do like a pink theme. I'm not gonna make it today, but I will be making it most likely in this video, if not in this video, in my next video coming up. That is everything I got from Target. I am very excited. Now I'm actually at Trader Joe's. I always love coming to Trader Joe's and looking for all of their holiday stuff and seeing if it came out yet. I don't know if it's gonna be out yet because I feel like Trader Joe's is very on point with the holidays. They don't really put anything out early, so we'll see if they have anything. I saw some things on TikTok, but my Trader Joe's seems to get things last for some reason. I don't know why. At least that's what happened with the fall items, so we're just gonna go in and see what we can find. I went into Trader Joe's and I didn't see any Christmas stuff at first, and I got really upset because the only thing I saw was the advent calendars. There was a lot of Thanksgiving stuff out, which of course I understand Thanksgiving is next. I'm not overlooking Thanksgiving. I'm just really excited for Christmas. And there was a lady next to me, and I guess she was also looking for the peppermint stuff, and someone yelled, "Oh, peppermint's over there," and it was in like the tiniest corner of the store. But I found the Christmas stuff. I'm so excited. They have this handmade candy cane, which I never even seen before. It's with a cocoa cream filled center. Look how big this is. I am so excited about this. Then I got this hot cocoa polar bear. This is white and milk chocolate confection filled with milk chocolate drops and marshmallows. I think you just put it in water or milk and it becomes hot chocolate. I actually got this for a burr basket that I'm going to be making pretty soon. And then I also got these little gingerbread cookies. You put them on the side of your mugs, and I think that is adorable. But that is it for my Trader Joe's haul. I'm very excited, and I'm excited for them to get more of their peppermint stuff in. I got home a little bit ago and I had some dinner, but it was unrelated to this video, so I didn't film that. And now I'm going to make these Pillsbury Christmas tree shaped sugar cookie dough pre-made cookies and put them on top of the sugar cookie dough I bought before. I've made these with chocolate chip cookies before and they're so good, so I'm excited to try it with the sugar cookie. And I feel like it's gonna be good because it's just gonna be a sugar cookie on top of a sugar cookie, so it's just gonna be like a double sugar cookie, which I'm excited about. So I'm gonna put a cozy Christmas candle on while we bake these cookies to get into the holiday spirit.
It's December again, I can't believe it.
While my cookies are cooling, I'm going to make a little drink. So I have this cranberry fizz poppy Be Merry. It's very festive. I have some candy canes and a strawberry acai from Starbucks. And then I'm going to rim the glass with icing and then put these sprinkles on top. And I think it should be really good. I feel like it would be a cute little drink to have with my cookies that I just made that look really cute and festive and are cooling and while watching the movie.
We fell in love in the winter, but I miss you most in the fall. 3 years, 11 months together after one night in Montreal. Red leaves are in the breeze of Nashville.
These are what the final cookies look like. I think they turned out so cute. And here's my little Christmas drink, which I'm very excited to try. I'm just going to change into my PJs and then we're gonna give it a taste try. This is so good. It's the perfect amount of sweet and peppermint, if that makes sense. Hello, hello, you can't have this. I'm also eating the cookie. These are so good.
I can feel it in the air. It's getting colder, but yet so warm. Before we know it, it's Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve. This year, I'ma give me something special. It doesn't cost a dime, but it's precious. Hope Santa won't forget it, then I won't forgive him, no. Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you. I love the snow and I love the scarves, the candles lighting the decor most, but something's missing. I wonder what. This year, I'ma give me something special. It doesn't cost a dime, but it's precious. Hope Santa won't forget it, then I won't forgive him, no.
It's the next day now. I just made my reindeer waffles and they were so good. I put mini chocolate chips in them and some whipped cream and red and green sprinkles on top, and there was something about that was just so festive and made them taste amazing, and I'm very happy. And then I also made a gingerbread coffee. I used the Nespresso and then I did gingerbread creamer and gingerbread whipped cream with the red and green sprinkles on top, and that was really good as well. And then I used the Trader Joe's gingerbread cookie for the side of the cup, and I think it just looked so cute and did taste like Christmas in a cup. I'm back at Trader Joe's because I'm looking for the peppermint cake mix. My friend came yesterday and told me that they have it, so I'm back here. And I also want to go into the paper store and Ulta as well because they're in the same parking lot, and I want to see if they have any Christmas stuff. So let's go into Trader Joe's first, then we're gonna go to the paper store, and then we're gonna go to Ulta.
Dear Santa, tell me that you'll make it here in time. Yeah, this boy is on my mind. The number
Trader Joe's, Ulta, and the paper store. I only got one thing. This is the chocolate peppermint loaf and baking mix from Trader Joe's. This is so good. I made it for my brother's birthday last year, which is in November, and he loved it, so I wanted to get it again for him to make this year, and I'm very happy that they had it. And then I also forgot to show you guys this adorable bear skincare headband that I got from American Eagle. I think this is so cute, and it really reminds me of just cozy vibes. I love how there's little bows on the ears, and also I love just getting themed things for the holidays, and something about teddy bears just remind me of winter and coziness, and the bows are reminding me of the holidays. So I got this from American Eagle. I ordered it online, and I'm very happy that it finally came in because I can't wait to wear it. I'm actually now at TJ Maxx and Home Goods. Like I was talking about in the beginning of this video, I do want to make burr baskets for some of my family members and my friends, and I'm also doing a giveaway that I'll probably announce in my next video that I want to get some stuff for, and I thought that it would be a good idea to come to TJ Maxx and Home Goods to do that. So we're gonna go to TJ Maxx, get some stuff to make some burr baskets, and also some stuff for you guys as well. Just got out of TJ Maxx and Home Goods, and I'm gonna do a little haul. I'm not going to show everything because some stuff I want to be a surprise. I'm actually going to make the burr basket and the giveaway basket in a different video because I have a cool idea for it, and I don't want this video to be too long. But this is the little burr basket for my mom. I only did my mom's in this one because I want to go to Target for some other stuff for some of my friends. But first things first, I got these s'more waffle cones. These are filled with milk chocolate and marshmallows. I got these 24K gold and black pearl under eye pads. I love these, and TJ Maxx sells them for a pretty good price. Next, I got this spa bunny headband. This is actually going to be in my giveaway, and I thought it would be cute because like I was showing you guys before, I just got the bear one. Next, I got these Piper K clips. These are for my mom's burr basket. I got this Santa notepad. I think that this is so cute, and my mom really likes more of the traditional red Christmas, so I got a lot of red stuff for her. I got acne treatment dots. I love these. I got some beauty blenders. I feel like it's always good to have a new set of beauty blenders. I got this Mistletoe Kisses, Merry Berry Sugar Plum, and Pink Champagne set of 3 hydrated tinted lipsticks, which I think is perfect, especially because since this is a burr basket, I was trying to really do things that reminded me of winter, which is why I got this color, because I feel like blue and white just remind me of winter vibes and like snow, and the pom-poms on the top of the basket really reminded me of snowballs, so I wanted to get that for my mom. And for the chapsticks or lip glosses, there's moisturizer in them, and I feel like my lips are always chapped during the winter, so that's why I got those. Then I got this gingerbread crushed ice cube tray. I think this is so cute. Me and my mom like to make a lot of holiday drinks, especially when we host for Christmas Day, so I thought that this would be cute to have as little ice cubes. I got peppermint dust, and again, like I said, we like to make drinks, and I thought that this would be cute to have peppermint around the rim of the drinks. I got some cute Christmas clips. I got some peppermint puffs. I love these. They're so good. And then I got a repairing heel mask for my mom's basket as well. Again, kind of goes with that winter theme because I feel like my skin is always dry in the winter as well. I am going to add a few things to this basket. I do have a few things in a TJ Maxx bag as well, but I'm not going to show that because my mom watches my videos, and for that, I want her to be surprised because it's something that's very sentimental and meaningful. So I'm going to wrap all of this in another video, and I'll tell her not to watch that video so I can share it with you guys. And then I also picked up some wrapping paper. So I saw this gingerbread pink themed wrapping paper, which I thought was so cute, especially since I love the pink Christmas theme. And then I also got this Christmas tree one. I love this one too because it has pink, but it also has green and gold. I feel like this is going to get sparkles everywhere, but it'll be worth it because my gifts will look really cute. That is everything I got from TJ Maxx and Home Goods. I think that's going to be it for this video because I'm actually about to start another video right now. If you stayed up until this point of the video and you are also starting to get into that holiday Christmas spirit, let me know down below and comment this emoji as well. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you really soon in my next video.